Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we'll be making some delicious pan-fried potatoes, but before we get started, make sure you've subscribed and turned on your notification. So we'll start with your potatoes. I have washed mine and diced them into cubes or to your desired sizes. Once that is done, boil them for about 8 to 10 minutes until they are done. Now I'll show you the rest of my ingredients. I have onions that I've chopped, parsley, and for the seasoning I'll be using salt, paprika, and black pepper, and I also have garlic powder. So we'll be adding something extra to our potatoes. So I'm using nyama bites. You can use sausage, you can also use bacon, and fry them till they are golden brown. Once that is done, set aside. Next, go ahead to add in your onions and fry them until they are translucent. And once they're done, set aside as well. Now next, add in some oil in your pan, enough to fry your potatoes together with some butter. And put your potatoes in, and we'll be frying them one side at a time until they have that beautiful golden brown crust. Once one side is done, turn the others, flip them on the other side, and cook the other side as well. Now once your potatoes are done, they're looking so good and ready to be served, then it's time to add in your bacon or sausages or nyama bites, followed by your onions, and then we'll be seasoning. So I'm just adding black pepper, salt, paprika, and some garlic powder. followed by your parsley, and then just mix them all together and your potatoes are ready to serve. These potatoes tasted absolutely delicious. They go perfect for breakfast, dinner, and you can serve them for breakfast with some eggs, and for dinner I actually had mine with some chicken breast with some salad on the side, and they were so good. I really hope you do try this recipe, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel as well if you haven't, and I will see you on my next one. Till next time, bye bye.